So hello guys, welcome to another video. So I have started this new playlist. Okay, so in this playlist we are going to learn Java 14 new features. So here I have prepared a list of Java 14 new features. Okay, so I will try to cover all these features one by one. Okay, so here you can see switch expressions, pattern matching for instance of helpful null pointed exceptions, records, text blocks, packaging tools, NUMA aware memory allocation for G1. So JFR, non-volatile map byte buffers, JGC for Mac OS, JGC for Windows, so foreign memory access API. So here is all these. So these are the all new features of Java which have been introduced in Java 14. So in this video especially we are going to learn about switch expressions. And the first feature we have listed. So fine, so here write switch expressions. Fine, so switch expressions is nothing but our old classic switch statements modified version. So we will see. So let's see what is the difference between old classic switch statement and the new switch expressions. Fine, so here is my Eclipse IDE. I have upgraded my JDK version to 14th. So you have also to upgrade the JDK version to 14 new one. So that you can use these new features of Java 14 which we have seen previously. So here our ID is ready with new JDK. So you create a project here, select Java project, so next name your project as, you can say Java 14. Java 14 hyphen switch expressions, you can say. As you wish, you can take your own name. Fine, so here I will take see here default Java JDK 8 was selected. I have selected to Java 14. Fine, so next, yeah, fine, say finish here. Yeah, don't create, say no here. Fine, we got our project. So here is the list of all the charts of Java 14. Open JDK. Fine, here you can see Java 14 JDK 14 is on. So here we have to create a package. So com.dib.test I will take. You can take your own. So next you can take a class. So first of all we will see our classic switch statement. After that we will develop a program with new switch expressions so that we can easily understand. So here is our classic switch class. So here we will take an enum. So here enum, person you can take. So here pass the constants. So here the I will take J Manoj. Next I can take I use Dev and Sam. So here I have taken 6 person names within an enum. So here is our main method. So we will take another static method and we will pass the enums to the static method from our main method. Fine, so here static void you can say print. Fine, in the argument you can say person. Fine, open braces, close braces. Then here you can say switch. So here say switch, pass the person object. So it's nothing but our traditional switch statement. So here case colon, you have to pass the case. So you cannot take two. So here again you have to write case Sam, then case J. After that you can say sys out. We can concat here, so you can say person plus, here you can pass your own information. I will pass Vajay Painter. Fine, so first condition, then break. So next case you can take Divya, next case Dev. Okay, for these two cases we will print here sys out person plus take a string was a, you can say composer. Okay, fine. So another break statement here. Okay, fine. Next case you can take Manoj and you can take also iOS. Okay, so fine. Here also you will print person plus was a writer. Fine. So here again you have to say break, then after that you have to say default. Fine. So throw, you have to throw an exception here, so throw new illegal argument exception. Fine. Pass a message inside the exception, so you can say string dot format not works. Okay, fine. Here you can say unknown person. Okay, here you have to concat person. Fine, delete the second argument here, no need of that. So fine, we have successfully developed. Fine, that's it, just run. No, wait. Fine, we have to pass inside our main method. So here call print method, just pass person dot Divya. So again print person dot, you can say Sam. Fine. So again call print method, just pass person dot, you can say iOS. Okay, fine, we have passed our enums. Fine, run a Java application. So yeah, we got our output perfectly. So we all know that this is our old approach of switch statements. Okay, so here we have passed one output for two cases. Okay, so that's it, all about our traditional approach. Okay, so let's take a look at our new approach. Okay, which is nothing but switch expressions. So here I will take another class for that. So yeah, I have shown the old one because you will understand more better. Okay, so let's take a new class. Here you can say new switch, and say finish. So here you can take the same enum. Okay, enum, or you can copy that enum also. Okay, so here we'll copy enum person. Okay, just paste it here. So yeah, enum is same as our previous class. So let's take our print method here. Okay, fine, static void print, you can say you have to pass person as same as the previous one. Okay, so here you can say string title equals to switch of person. Fine, so here open, just ignore about this error, just place a semicolon there. Fine, so here you can take case Sam J arrow mark, here you can say painter. Okay, so like this you have to cover all the three cases. Okay, so here you can see Divya, next one is I think Dev we have taken. So here you can say composer. Fine, Next one is case. I have taken Manoj and Ayush. Okay, so these two are writer. Fine. Yeah, that's it. Just arrange them so that it will look good. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so just go outside of this block and print your message. You can print like this: person concat with a string was a. Here you can say plus again and title. Okay, our title will hold all the possible results. Okay, painter, composer and writer. Okay, fine. So that's it, all about our new switch expression. So okay, here main method, just say print. Here pass, you can say person dot Divya. Okay, just 3 cases we will pass. Print person dot Sam, you can say. Fine. So last one is print person dot Ayush. Okay, as same as the previous one. Okay, fine. That's it, all about our new approach of switch statement. Fine, run a Java application. Yeah, look at this, we got the same output as previous. Okay, so you can see this is much simpler than the previous one. Okay, old one. Here we have to write less statements. Just say here new switch expressions, just to differentiate the both outputs. Okay, Java 14. Fine, take as a string. Fine, there also just copy this and paste it here. Just you can say here old, and here you can say traditional or classic switch. Okay, fine, just run this application. Here is our classic one's output and here is our new approach output. Fine, so that's it, all about our new switch expression feature of Java 14. Fine, so one more thing left, that is about our default block. Okay, here you can see we have not taken any default. Okay, so here you can say new switch hyphen default. Okay, default block you can say. Fine, hyphen is not allowed, so take it like this. Fine, so just modify this class. So you can see here is no default we have taken, so here you have to say default, same arrow mark you have to pass, and start of curly braces, end of it. Okay, so here you can print our default output. Okay, default value you can say here, you can pass the exceptions here, you can pass any messages. Okay, so I have taken this message, oops, I don't know about. Here concat with person. Fine, yeah, below this you can say yield, just pass the value as a string. I will pass triple dot. Okay, so that this triple dot will be shown instead of painter, composer and writer if our case will not match. Okay, so fine, just run the application. Okay, we have to pass another wrong enum. Okay, so just take here, you can take another name, Aka I will take. Okay, just change this to Aka, just run the application. Fine, you can see these outputs are correct, but first one is coming like, oops, I don't know about Aka. Aka was a triple dot. Okay, fine, so the default block executed because our case have not matched. Okay, fine, so that's it, all about our default block. See here we have taken 6 enums. Okay, and we have passed the value for each case. Okay, so that's why error is not showing. Okay, fine, just comment this default block. Look at the person, here error is coming like A switch expression should cover all possible values, and we have not covered all 7 possible values. We have only covered 6 possible values. That's why error is coming. And we have also commented our default block. Okay, just uncomment this and see error is gone. This default block will execute only when you will pass a wrong value, okay, which is not defined in our cases. So fine, that's it. I have listed some points here, just take a look. First one is you cannot take extra enums without placing default block. Okay, compiler will throw error immediately, as we have seen. Okay, the second point is a new form of switch level case, where you can see the arrow mark where only the code to the right of the label is going to be executed. You can place an expression, you can place a block, or you can place a throw statement there. Okay, so the third point is a new yield statement to yield a value that becomes the value of the enclosing switch expressions. If the switch case is not matched with our passing value, so it will execute the yield value. Okay, so next one is a fourth point, which is nothing but multiple constant per case that are separated by commas. Okay, this feature was not there in our traditional approach. Here you can pass different, or you can say more than one cases by separating those values with commas. So I will say this is a great advantage for us. So last one is you can see several case statements have been merged, and the code does not use a break statement anymore. As a result, the print method became much shorter and looks nicer, as you have seen in our program, and no more break statements are used. Okay, so that it's simple and fast. Okay, so this is all about the first new feature of Java 14, nothing but switch expressions, you can say. So we have learned this one smoothly, okay, with practicals. So this one is completed. In next video we will learn pattern matching for instance of, which is nothing but a preview. Okay, so maybe they will provide the stable one in coming versions. So this is all about our today's video, guys. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel so that it will motivate me a lot, and I will make more and more videos. So fine, thank you for watching. Happy coding. Fine.